So welcome back everyone, Mike here. I will start this video by saying that probably wasn't the best idea. It's all going to work out and I didn't break anything, but that's a pretty big piece of wood to put on a log splitter. That was a 39 or 40 inch diameter red oak, and you know, the log lifted it okay, splits it just fine. It's dealing with these big pieces after the first pass and making sure they don't roll off on you or roll back off and maybe get back to where the engine is. But this will make a lot of firewood right here. This will all be for bundle firewood, and it should work out pretty good. But yeah, there's a lot of pieces of wood in this right here. So it took me a little over a half an hour just to split up that one big round, but I think it was well worth it. I got a lot of wood out of that one piece. I would say about 3 that size would fill an entire basket, which is over 1/3 of a cord. Besides what I got in here, I've got a little bit in there, but it was a little punky on the edges, so we'll send that to the bulk firewood pile. But yeah, bundle firewood, and I don't want to discuss that anymore, and I'll tell you why. So the other day I mentioned selling firewood by the bundle. You know, it would work out to at least $700 a cord, if not more. Well, a few people didn't hear me right or something, and they're calling me all kind of names, saying you're a thief, you know, charging $700, you're gouging people. So I thought, okay, we had a little misunderstanding here. So probably 2 videos after that, I devoted a good 5 or 6 minutes explaining it, and I actually got more comments saying the same thing. So I don't know if people just listen to little bits and pieces and then start typing away. I don't know what the deal is, but I'm really not going to talk about it anymore. right, I just cut up a quick load of cherry and red oak right here. Some of this I'll actually use for the basket there for bundle wood. And normally what I do, I'll start splitting once the table gets filled up and that hopper gets filled up, and then I'll turn the conveyor on and just finish it out that way. So this shouldn't take too long at all. Oh, and by the way, before I forget, a lot of people have been asking about the beard. I said I wasn't going to shave until we got the Bronco. I had actually trimmed it a few times, but after we got the Bronco, I just kind of shaved it all down close. But I think I'm going to keep it for winter. We'll start growing it back right now. I just won't let it get too carried away like I did last time. Go. Got some more wood in the bin, but we still have a long way to go. I'm going to check with Melissa, see what her schedule is tomorrow, and I'd like to come down here for 3 or 4 hours straight and see what we can get done. It's coming along nice. Really nice firewood here though. Nice mix of cherry, oak, both red oak, white oak, a little bit of maple, some elm, some locust. Pretty nice stuff. So last week in a video, I mentioned that I got some emails and some comments from people saying that YouTube had unsubscribed them from our channel. And I don't know why they do that. Sometimes that happens. But when I mentioned that day we gained over 600 subscribers. So in case you missed that and you are a subscriber to our channel, or if you think you are, double check, click that subscribe button and the little bell icon beside it, and you'll get notifications when we upload. But anyway, I think that's about it. Yeah, just plugging away down here. I'm going to go up to the house right now and do some work inside the building. I've been doing some framing in there. It's coming along well. The more I do, the faster I get at it. It's like anything else. But I think that's about it for today's video. Like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.